In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to transform any iPhone photo into 3D. Let's get started. First, launch your Photos app and navigate to any of the picture that you want to generate as 3D. Now at the top right, you're going to find this icon. You'll need to click on that. Your photo will be converted into 3D. If you move your phone around, you'll notice the foreground and background shift, creating a 3D effect. It's a super cool feature that adds depth to your photos. This 3D effect works great as a wallpaper too. So close this and launch your settings. Go to the option Wallpaper, click on Add New Wallpaper, select Photos, click on the photo that you want to set as wallpaper along with the 3D effect. Now here you're going to find this hexagon icon. Click on that and you have just enabled the effect. And now as you move your phone, you will see the 3D effect in action with the foreground moving differently from the background, creating a cool immersive experience. That's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.